How to enable on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. Whether you are using a touchscreen device or just need an alternative input method, the on-screen keyboard can be a lifesaver. So let's start the video. First we will learn shortcut method. On your system, press Ctrl plus Window plus O. Then you will see, on-screen keyboard will open. This is one way. Here is another way to open on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. Left-click on Windows icon, and then click on the Settings. In the Settings window, click on the Accessibility tab on the left panel. Now scroll down and in the Interaction section click on Keyboard. To expand it, now toggle the switch next to on-screen keyboard to turn it on. So this is the on-screen keyboard. So this is how you can simply enable on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.